After certain time, it reaches to the point B. This one is the displacement S.
Yes.
It is moving with the acceleration A. It reaches to the point B in time T. So this one is S equal to ut plus half a d square. So now dimensional verification. Dimensional verification. S is equals to ut plus half a d square. This one is L t to power minus 1 into t plus half, no dimensional formula, L to power minus 2 t power plus 2. So it is L power minus 1 plus 1 only L, minus 2 plus 2 only L, L plus L is L only according to law of homogeneity. So therefore it is correct dimensionally. It is correct dimensionally. Now second, vector verification. Vector verification. This S bar equals to U bar into T plus half A bar into T square. First remember direction of S bar in this direction, direction of U bar in this direction, direction of A bar in this direction. All are in same direction. All have the same unit vector n. All have the same unit vector. So S bar is parallel to U bar, U bar is parallel to A bar. So in this one, three vectors are parallel to each other. Now S bar is a vector. I am taking UT first. UT. U is nothing but. So I will take formula U is equals to displacement by time. I am taking this one is S1. So S1 equals to UT. Second, AT square is that. I can write acceleration equals to velocity by time. Velocity is what? Displacement by time. S2 by t divided by t. So acceleration equals to S2 by t square. So S2 equals to what? AT square. So therefore you can write S bar equals to, this one is S bar, this one is S1 bar plus next this one is half, this one is S2 bar. So displacement plus displacement equals to displacement. First rule of addition of two vectors is same type of vectors you can add. So here displacement is there, here displacement is there. You are adding this two displacement, getting result displacement only. Now S is equals to ut plus half d square. Geometrical meaning. Geometrical meaning. Listen. I am taking velocity time graph. X axis, y axis. Here I am taking velocity. So on the x axis I am taking time. It has initial velocity u. So acceleration line is intersecting y axis at this point. This one is origin. So body starts from the velocity with the velocity u. अपने लिए. If it starts from O, then it is starting from rest, but it is not starting from rest. So now at this point I am taking velocity v. So I am completing the triangle here. This one is u. This total is v. So this one is remaining is this acceleration line making an angle theta to the x-axis. This one is time is here also time. So this one is the area first. This one is the area second. Listen here carefully. Now, area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Rectangle is this one. So, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is P, breadth is U, plus area of the triangle is half into what is the base? P. What is the height? V minus U. So this one is UT plus half V minus U into T. Since we know V is equals to U plus AD, first derivative, first formula. So it becomes V minus U is equals to AD. So V minus U can be replaced by UT plus half AT into T. So it becomes UT plus half AT square. So this one is a total you got. This one is equals to displacement. This one is the area of rectangle plus area of rectangle plus area of, so area of this figure gives, so area of velocity time graph gives, so remember area of PT graph gives displacement just please if initial velocity equals to 0 then s becomes half a d square, then the graph will be x-axis, y-axis, origin, velocity here, time along x-axis, you are taking the line from here, ur is 0, complete the triangle from here to here. This one is the velocity v. So here you are going to get 0 minus v, means you are going to get v only. Here time t, this one is theta, this one is the acceleration a. So again half into base into height. Area of triangle. Area of triangle equals to half into base is t. Height is v. Since v is equals to u plus AD, v is equals to 0 plus AD, v is equals to 80. So it becomes half into t into 80. So it is half AD square. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? ट्रायंगल है इसका मतलब. This one is S. Clear? Now, calculus. Since V is equals to U plus AD, now this can be written as ds by equals to U plus AD. ds is equals to U plus AD into dt. This one is the small displacement. For complete displacement, what you have to do? Integrate. This one is integration of U plus AD dt. Please, here displacement I am taking 0 to S. Time also I am taking from 0 to t. So total displacement integration of dx becomes x. So ds becomes s. Lower limit 0. Upper limit s. Now integrate u dt. It becomes ut plus at. What is the power? 1. So 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2. So it becomes at square by limit of time is. So So this one is S minus 0. Here substitute first T. U into T plus half A T square minus substitute here 0. U into 0 plus half into A into 0. So this one is ut plus half at square, u into 0 0, half a into 0 0. So you will get ut plus half a square. Yeah. Okay. अगर ऐसा ग्राफिकल प्रॉब्लम किया तो मान लो, सुनो बेटा, now find the displacement. How to find the displacement? AC plus rho. Half into base कितना है 3 है, हाइट कितना है प्लस ये क्या है बेटा, इसका कितना तो अलग अलग है क्या, कितना है वैल्यू है 3 और ये 4 है तो इसका कैसा होगा, तो बेस क्या का लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड 3 into 4. So this one is 2 सा 6 meter plus 3 4 सा 18 meter. आ गया डिस्प्लेसमेंट, देता हूँ मैं नंबर डाल डाल के. Next, a body starts from rest and covers displacement. काउंट करा ना, कैसा नहीं करा, ये कितना होगा, यहाँ से यहाँ 3 सेकंड है, यहाँ से यहाँ 6 सेकंड है, तो ये इतना कितना है, ये नंबर यहाँ से कितना है, समझे, 18 अगस्त को मेरा बर्थडे है परसों, समझे, तो 19 अगस्त को मैं एक दिन का होगा, क्या शुरू से गिनूंगा, शुरू से गिन देना, तो शुरू से गिनना है क्या, अच्छा, अच्छा कौन सा काम करते हैं, धरती कचरा ही देके जा रहा हूँ. A body starts from rest and covers displacement S by moving with uniform acceleration A. Find the time taken to cover S displacement is. वो फार्मूले से ही बना क्वेश्चन, अंडर रूट A/S. Next, under root 1/2 A/S. Under root 2S by A. 4. 1/2 S by A. देखो बेटा कितना हार्ड दिखता है, पहले देखते ही हो, उसको भी फार्मूला लगा लिए, कुछ नहीं रहा. AC equals to UT plus half a square. Body starts from rest, so AC equals to 0 plus half AT square. u0 है तो टाइम से भी 0 हो गया होगी, 2 से इधर इंटू करो 2s इक्वल्स टू 8 स्क्वायर, सो 3s by 8 इक्वल्स टू t स्क्वायर। अपने प्रॉब्लम में s और a दिया गया, देखो t निकालना है, t इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 2s by 8। नेक्स्ट, a body moving with velocity ये 8 मीटर पर सेकंड, having uniform acceleration of 6 meter per second square, displacement covered in 5 seconds is solution is equal to ut plus half d square। SCO to find initial velocity, ये कितने टाइम में कैलकुलेट करना है, 5 plus half, acceleration is 6, 5 square, 2 3s are 8 5s are 40 plus 5 5s are 25, this one is 40 plus 75, 150 115 meter। हो गया। Now next, a body moving with velocity three meter per second, having uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square। Find displacement in 6th second। डिस्प्लेसमेंट कौन से सेकंड में निकाला है,
6 सेकंड।
6, ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 है, 6 जने खड़े हो जाओगे तो पूरे 6 खड़े हो जाते ना, 6 वन खड़े हो जाओगे तो एक ही खड़े हो, 6 और 6 में फर्क है, तो ये 6 सेकंड यानी 1 सेकंड में कैलकुलेट करना है। नाउ बॉडी हैविंग इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 3 मीटर पर सेकंड, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये 6 टाइम पूरा 6 सेकंड लिया यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 5 सेकंड लिया, तो ये 6 में से 5 सेकंड निकाले तो कौन सा सेकंड बचता, 6 सेकंड बचता ना। तो इसमें चलने वाला मान लो S1 है, इसमें चला सो S2 है, तो ये क्या होगा S1 माइनस S2 होगा। सुनाओ, is equal to ut plus half d square, so S1 equals to 3 plus टाइम कितना लेंगे 6 plus half, a is 4 into 6 square, 6 is 18 plus 2 2s are 2 into 36, this one is 18 plus 72, this one is 90 meter। क्लियर, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना चला 6 सेकंड में 90 मीटर चला, अब 5 सेकंड में कितना चला देखेंगे, इज इक्वल्स टू अगेन u is 3 into 5 plus half, a is 4, time is 5 square, 2 2s are 3 5s are 15 plus 2 into 25, this one is 15 plus 50, 65 मीटर चला, ये 65 है, तो 6th सेकंड में क्या कितना चला, 6th सेकंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट, 6th second displacement 90 minus 65 कितना आ गया बेटा 25 मीटर। इतना टाइप करेंगे, एक शॉर्टकट फार्मूला है जिसकी एसएम फार्मूला बोलते हैं, u प्लस ए इंटू n माइनस हाफ। डायरेक्ट लगा तो आ जाता है। u कितना है 3 4 6 माइनस हाफ, देखो आता है ना 3 प्लस 4 इंटू 2 6 12 में से 1 गया तो 11/2 2 जा 3 प्लस 2 11 का 25 मीटर। कौन सा इजी है बोलो? दिस इज कॉल्ड nth सेकंड फार्मूला। डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिकल करके बता दे रहा हूँ, ये फार्मूला यूज कर लो। हाँ
किसी पर्टिकुलर सेकंड पे निकाला बोल के फार्मूला यूज करना।
डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन nth सेकंड, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन nth सेकंड। ऐसे इक्वल टू u प्लस a इंटू n माइनस हाफ।